and let the one who has no sword sell his cloak and buy one.
Alright, today we've got the Taurus TH9 9mm, and we're going to disassemble it and then reassemble it, or typically called field stripping, for cleaning. Alright, first thing we need to do is check it. Magazine out. Nothing in that chamber, so we're clear. And now this one strips down like all the other Tauruses basically, so you just take this little piece right here, got it on both sides. It's basically a bar that goes across, and then it has your barrel or your slide lock in there. And we're going to take it, we're going to grab a hold of it with these two fingers. I usually do my fingernails. We're going to pull straight down on both sides. As we pull down, we're going to take the slide and we're going to basically pull it back like that. So pull down, back, and then we're just going to push it forward, and then it comes off. This is ready to clean. You can leave it cocked, decocked, it really doesn't matter, but this is ready to clean. Now this is like most other guns. We're just going to push forward and pull out. So we're just going to push it forward, pull out. And this one has a fairly light recoil spring right there. And it's actually a really good shooting gun. Alright, now this, we're going to do the same thing. We'll go up and then kind of wiggle it at an angle out. And then that's all there is to it for that. So you can go clean it and then come back, and the next part is going to be putting it back together. Hey, we want to take a second just to let you know that we offer concealed weapons classes in South Carolina. We are in Anderson, South Carolina. So if you're local to us, check us out at defensetraining.org. We also offer other training as well. You can check that out again, defensetraining.org. Also, we make holsters. We have custom holsters that we make, so you can go check those holsters out. They are ambidextrous and both inside and outside the waistband holsters. They are made of Kydex. They have a lifetime guarantee and a 60-day money-back guarantee. So check those out at defensetraining.org/holsters. All right, back to the video. All right, so we're going to put it back together. We're going to take the slide, we're going to take the barrel, we're going to put it the barrel, of course, in the larger hole down at the bottom, or actually the top, but flipped over, it's the bottom. We're going to go at an angle, then we're going to slide it back. Now, this one locks, so it locks in. Now the recoil spring, the fat end right here, the fat part of the spring, the skinny part goes to the rear, the fat part goes in the spring hole right there. Now we're going to sit this one. This has got two notches right in here, so it's not going to be on this notch, it's going to be on this notch right down in there. You can actually see the little bevel right there that's going around. So we're going to put it down in, hold the barrel in, fat end toward the front. We're going to push, and again, this is a really smooth recoil spring. Alright, so that's together. Now we're going to take these little notches right here, there and there, and then we're going to put these little what I call wings right here. They're part of the rail, the frame, right there and right there, and you got them back here as well. We're going to put it in those notches. Now when we get it back, this one takes a good hard yank back on it for a lot of you guys. Some of them it'll feel like it's catching, like you'll get right here and it feels like it's catching. Just yank it back real good and it will come on back. And then once it comes back, you'll see this part pop back up. It is back in position. Now we can pull the trigger. Alright, it's put together. Now we can go do some shooting. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks.